Good morning, boys and girls. Today we will be continuing the rest of the pages in our 2D shape packet. Today we're going to be doing the color and count, triangles and rectangles, 2D shapes, and making shapes. Okay, so remember, if we need any help referring back to our review page, just so if we forget any of the shape names, we have our review shape up in the front, and it shows us a circle, a hexagon, triangle, trapezoid, square, rectangle, rhombus, and a pentagon. And it tells us how many sides there are, how many vertices, and how many lines there are. Remember, vertices is just another fancy word for corners, okay? All right, so let's get started. So on our color and count page, it says color each shape, type one color. When you have finished, count the shapes and write how many shapes there are, okay? So our first shape here, it says circle. So what you guys are going to do is you're going to grab a pencil, a marker, a crayon, anything you have handy, and you are going to count them out, okay? One way you could do this to make it easier, you could just go ahead and color them in, or you can number them, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and number them. So I see 1, I'm just gonna go row by row so I don't miss any. 2, do I have any here? No. 3, 4, 5, do I have any in this row? Nope, and I have one more, 6. So then you can go ahead and color them in. You guys have more time since you're at home. You can color them in one by one, and then at the end, you're going to write how many circles you found on the page. So that's 6, okay? Let's go ahead and do a rectangle, okay? I'm gonna switch up my colors so I don't get confused. So I'm gonna do rectangle. Let's go ahead and start from the first row. We don't have any rectangles in the first row. We have 1, 2, none in the third row, none in the fourth row, and we have 1 in the last row. Oops, that's a 3. So I have 1, 2, 3 rectangles. So I'm gonna go ahead and write a 3. Okay, and you guys are going to do this for the rest of the shapes. So you're gonna find triangles, a rhombus, square, and pentagon, and show me how many we have of each shape on this little page, okay? For the next one, it says triangles and rectangles. Color the triangles and rectangles using the key below. So we have a yellow crayon, and it is next to the triangle. So that means we're gonna color all the triangles that we see yellow. And here we have green. We have a green crayon next to a rectangle. So that means all of the rectangles that we see, we're going to color green, okay? All right.